Let's talk about Seoul. It is the capital city of South Korea and one of the biggest cities in Asia. Seoul is very close to Japan. A flight from Tokyo to Seoul takes about 2 hours. K-pop music and Korean dramas are popular around the world. Many people visit Seoul to enjoy Korean culture. Gyeongbokgung is a very famous palace in Seoul. The buildings are hundreds of years old and very beautiful. Many visitors wear hanbok at the palace. Hanbok is the beautiful traditional clothing of Korea. Namsan Tower is a famous tower. From the top, you can see a beautiful view of the whole city. Myeongdong is a busy shopping street in the center of Seoul. There are many shops, food stalls, and souvenirs. Korean food is very delicious. Kimchi is a very famous dish and made from vegetables and spices. Korean barbecue is very popular too. You cook fresh meat on a hot grill at your table. The Han River flows through the middle of the city. Many people walk, cycle, and relax by the river on the weekends. Seoul has a very good subway system. It is easy to use and takes you all around the city. Many signs in Seoul are written in Korean, Japanese, and English. This is very helpful for Japanese tourists visiting the city. Seoul is a very modern city, tall buildings and bright lights. There are new shops and restaurants everywhere. Seoul is a truly wonderful city to visit. Many Japanese people love coming back again and again.